Mysteries of the universe. What if I told you that everything you see, stars, planets, galaxies, even your own body, makes up less than 5% of the universe? Right now, as you watch this, invisible forces are shaping reality, forces we cannot see, touch, or fully explain. The universe is expanding, accelerating toward an unknown fate, driven by something scientists still don't understand. Black holes are tearing space and time apart. Entire galaxies are held together by matter that doesn't exist in any form we can observe. And here's the unsettling truth. The more we discover about the universe, the less certain we become about what reality actually is. So, don't just watch this video. Question everything you think you know. Because the universe isn't just mysterious, it may be hiding answers we're not ready to face. Since the beginning of human history, we have looked up at the night sky and asked the same question: what is really out there? Long before telescopes, satellites, or supercomputers, ancient civilizations mapped the stars, worshipped the sun, and built monuments aligned with the heavens. Even today, despite all our technology, the universe remains one vast puzzle, filled with unanswered questions that challenge everything we think we know about reality. The universe is estimated to be around 13.8 billion years old, yet humans have only existed for a tiny fraction of that time. In that brief moment, we have learned astonishing truths, but also uncovered mysteries so deep that even modern science struggles to explain them. The beginning that defies logic. The universe, as we understand it, began with the Big Bang, a moment when all space, time, matter, and energy expanded from an unimaginably hot and dense point. But here's the mystery: what caused the Big Bang? Science can trace events back to the first fraction of a second after it happened, but before that, silence. No time. No space. No physical laws. The rules of physics simply collapse. Was there something before the Big Bang? Another universe? A cycle of endless expansions and collapses? Or did everything, literally everything, come from nothing at all? Even today, physicists don't have a final answer. The origin of the universe remains one of the greatest mysteries ever faced by the human mind. Dark matter. The invisible sculptor. When scientists studied how galaxies move, they discovered something strange. Galaxies spin far faster than they should. According to known physics, they should tear themselves apart, but they don't. The explanation? Dark matter. Dark matter does not emit light. It cannot be seen, touched, or directly detected. Yet scientists believe it makes up about 27% of the universe, outweighing normal matter by a factor of 5. Without it, galaxies, including our own Milky Way, would not exist. What is dark matter made of? Unknown. Where did it come from? Unknown. Why does it behave the way it does? Unknown. Despite decades of research, dark matter remains invisible and mysterious, shaping the cosmos while refusing to reveal its identity. Dark energy. The force pulling reality apart. If dark matter holds the universe together, dark energy does the opposite. In 1998, astronomers discovered something shocking. The universe is not slowing down, it's expanding faster over time. Some unknown force is pushing galaxies apart at an accelerating rate. This force, called dark energy, makes up roughly 68% of the universe, yet we have no idea what it is. Dark energy could determine the ultimate fate of everything. Will the universe expand forever, growing colder and darker until stars burn out and time itself loses meaning? Or could it tear galaxies, atoms, and space itself apart in a catastrophic ending? The future of reality depends on something we barely understand. Black holes. The ultimate cosmic traps. Black holes begin as massive stars that collapse under their own gravity. But once formed, they become objects so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape them. At the center of a black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics break down. Space and time become distorted. cause and effect lose meaning. What happens inside a black hole? Do they destroy information or store it somewhere else? Could they be gateways to other universes or dimensions? Even with the first ever image of a black hole captured in 2019, their true nature remains one of the deepest mysteries in modern physics. Are we alone in the universe? With hundreds of billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, logic suggests life should be common. Yet so far, we've found no confirmed evidence of intelligent civilizations beyond Earth. This contradiction is known as the Fermi Paradox. If the universe is so vast, where is everyone? Possibilities range from hopeful to terrifying. Perhaps intelligent life is rare. Perhaps civilizations destroy themselves before mastering space travel. Or perhaps they are out there, watching, waiting, or choosing not to reveal themselves. The universe may be silent, or it may be whispering in ways we don't yet know how to hear. The nature of time feels constant and unstoppable, but physics tells a different story. Time slows near massive objects. It stretches at high speeds. It may not even be fundamental at all. Some theories suggest time is an illusion created by human perception. Others propose multiple timelines, parallel universes, or a block universe where past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. If time can bend and break, then what does that say about free will, destiny, and reality itself? A universe that keeps its secrets. Every time humanity answers one cosmic question, the universe reveals 10 more. The deeper we look, the stranger reality becomes. We now know that we are made of star material, that the atoms in your body were forged in ancient supernovas. The universe is not separate from us, we are a part of it. Yet despite all our discoveries, the biggest mysteries remain unsolved. And perhaps that's the most powerful truth of all. The universe is not just something to understand, it is something to wonder at. Because in the end, the greatest mystery of the universe may be why it exists at all. After all our telescopes, after centuries of science, after decoding the stars themselves, we're forced to admit something uncomfortable. We don't know what most of the universe is made of. We don't know how it truly began. We don't know how it will end. And perhaps the strangest mystery of all isn't what's out there, but why consciousness exists to observe it in the first place. What if the universe isn't random? What if reality is far more intelligent than we imagine? And what if humanity is only seeing the surface of something far deeper? Because somewhere beyond the stars, beyond time, beyond everything we understand, the universe is still keeping its biggest secret. And the question is, are we meant to discover it, or merely witness it?